if we lose 3 or 4-0, then it could be much more difficult for the second game. So yeah, he kept us in the game. That's how it is, and but it's his job, and yeah, I'm not too surprised, honestly, that he's able to do it. But actually, if a goalkeeper has to make saves like this, something else is wrong in the game, and that was our problem tonight. So that was really good. We played how we wanted to play. If we would have done this for 90 minutes, then it would have been very difficult for Southampton to cope with it. But after we conceded 1 goal, obviously the game changed.